Kodoro Yorùbá Television.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all to another episode of Curiosity Made Me Ask. I remain your wonderful host, Bayu Babi. Our guest today is my least favorite underrated actor, who I am personally tired of waiting for to have his big break. Like, what is so me? It's something funny.
Because you say you're wonderful. So told you? Goodness.
Okay. I just made an introduction of you.
Is that?
And I called you my least favorite underrated actor. At least you're my favorite.
So you were thinking that is why that would make me laugh. I was laughing because you said you are the wonderful host. God. I was expecting you to say, ladies and gentlemen, meet the amazing, the versatile Ibrahim Chatta, if it is possible. You hire people here so that they will be clapping.
Do you think you're versatile?
Of course I am. I hear it from intelligent people. They tell me that all the time. Ibrahim Chatta, with or without award, you're the best. You are a favorite.
But I don't think so. Are you saying I'm not intelligent?
I didn't say that.
Thank you.
I said intelligent people.
But I don't think you are versatile. Or I don't see it.
Okay, wait. Okay, because I'm a fan of this show, not because of you, but because you bring a lot of people that I love to set. So I've seen you talking to them, but let me tell you something. Lead one, if you see anything that I don't like, anything at all, you see this island, they go ban you from working. Oh man, just so you know.
Who's the one? I'm Baby.
Baby Baby, really? I'm listening, please.
Moving on. You didn't finish school, right?
No, I did not.
Will you say you not being rated at your job is because of you are an illiterate?
Can you define literacy? You think because I didn't go to the forward of the university, that makes me an illiterate?
You stopped that.
Have you heard the story of great people? People like Kiloruk Oga on Microsoft. Do you even know him at all?
Big.
Yes. So I don't think so. I don't think I'm underrated, like you put it, because I didn't go to school. And just so you know, I'm never underrated. In fact, I've gotten more than I deserve from God. See me now.
Just trying to be humble. So you don't think you being uneducated has nothing to do with...
What is education? Can I get education? Let me tell you a story. So there's this professor. It's flying around, though. You can check. You would have seen the story. Maybe you didn't just pay attention. There was this professor. He got to the riverbank and he said to a little boy that was supposed to paddle the boat to the man's destination. I said, oh, law school, why are you not in school? The guy said, I don't go to school. And he now said, why are you an illiterate? Why did you go to school? And the boat capsized. There was storm. It was stormy. Then the boy jumped and he was swimming. The professor was drowning and he said, help me. He said, you see, everybody is useful. You should know that.
So you let the professor die?
I didn't know. Maybe you finish the story yourself.
That's one thing about
uneducated people.
People are wicked.
Okay, I think the story, maybe it will change your mindset, your perspective to life. Okay, I'm a religious person. Have you heard the story of the Holy Prophet ﷺ before? If you have heard the story, he didn't go to school. He couldn't write. But say he brought us, okay, with due respect to other people of other religion, if you go to the Quran, you see today, the day that is coming, yesterday in the Quran, you see signs, you see everything. And the man that brought it, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, they don't go to school. It doesn't matter. Okay? And then reality, do you know a lot of professors are already making me their subject in their thesis now? Do you know how many graduates I've employed? For the younger people, I'm not proud that they didn't stay in school.
Speaking of the many people you've employed, you are the same person that said you were not able to pay them for like 4 months. So it's not a brag, really.
It is actually a brag because I'm still keeping them.
You cannot pay them for 4 months. Yes, please. If you are working on that and you need a job, I have people you can pay you. Moving on.
Okay, moving on.
Apart from you being a versatile and fantastic actor,
Alhamdulillah.
what other misconception do people have about you?
Oh, I don't pay too much attention to. You see, my life, when I want to do anything, I check with myself. Will God be happy? The other person there, am I hurting the person or not? So whatever conception, either mis or misconception you have about me, it is your wahala, not mine.
But you agree that calling you a versatile and a fantastic actor is a misconception?
You think so?
Me personally, I'm like number one. You keep laughing. I don't know whether when you were coming to this interview, someone told you this is a comic.
I took a laugh gas, whatever. That's making me laugh.
Maybe.
You are making me laugh.
But I'm not trying to be funny. I'm trying to give you a platform there so people can know you.
Really?
My name is Bayu.
Your name is really Wanu. You didn't tell people. I don't care about really Wanu local. Really Wanu. I'm a gawa. I'm trying to be good because I live my life in Badia and in Aige. To that song got him live at the deck here. Àbí kí ni ko gloves mi àti ẹ lọ́wọ́ ká lọ ṣe bí portable àtàwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ṣe kí n nu ẹ pa.
Bro, you're like 60. Do you think you can beat me?
Gbogbo ara kìkì jà mo ṣì wà ń lé gan. See, age. Okay, at heart, I'm a very young person, and I still do a lot of things, like jump from on top of the crane when we.
Who cannot do that?
Like, can you do that? Check out the jump. Why you tying?
Why do you think I can't do that?
Really? I should have a keke. Don't do that now. No, even your people will say don't do it. They will tell you not to do it.
You made a video mentioning that Nigeria is better than anywhere in the world. Was there nobody around you at that moment
to tell me the truth? To
shut you up with a slap, like you should just you don't get it. Because moreover, how will you know? You live in a village.
Okay.
If you have been to places like Rome, Paris, I don't think you will ever say such a thing.
Okay, some people like you actually mentioned Paris. It's Paris. Okay? Some people like you mentioned it like that under my post. Unapologetically, I'm saying it again. Nigeria is the best place in the whole wide world. You know why? Nigeria, we have everything. I'm not saying the people of Nigeria. I'm saying Nigeria as a country. Have you even taken time to study your country? Do you know an average Nigerian mind is a sharp mind? Do you know a lot of things that we do here, like our film and stuff, where Nigerians were underpaid in whatever we do, and we're still thriving all over the world. Show ti gbọ́n pa àwọn community to kàwé jù l'America rí láyé. Nigerians. Ṣé ẹ̀yin kàwé pàápàá ní bó ṣe lọ school tó ẹ kàwé ní jókòó kó kàwé so that you can know the potential that this country has? I'm repeating it to you. Nigeria is the best place in the world. I'm not saying Nigeria people. Because people like you, if you drive, lójú ọ̀nà Èkó yìí, wà á máa jáná.
They used to point at me. Don't do that.
I'm pointing at you.
Don't do that.
Ridwan, máa sọ ìgò mi di wẹ́pọ̀, máa sáré náà ẹ̀ o, mo ń sọ fún ẹ látẹ̀kọ̀. Because body will move a lot to the body, a lot of origin body. It got me thinking that, but that will be moving in his grave now, hearing the stupid things you're saying. Because more that pay, you know, intelligent one, want them more long. So now we'll be saying, shame must be really. So please move on. Let's move on.
It is rumored that you have a film village that is worth over 1.4 billion naira. I want to congratulate you on that, but
thank you.
Don't you think there are much better actors in the industry that deserve such a blessing instead of you?
Okay, frankly now,
yes,
I I believe everybody in my industry, my friends, foes, everybody deserves a good life. Everybody deserves God's blessing. Now that God has given me the blessing to have a village, so if I'm not alone, do you want to fight God? He gave me that.
I just don't think...
You don't think I deserve it?
I mean, if I'm being truthful...
Lidwa, you were still a toddler. In 86, when I went to Ogundi, and I told myself then, you know, I'm a dreamer, and I pursue my dream. So in 1986, I told myself, one day I will have a space where we can film. I'm a millionaire in 86.
1986?
I'm a millionaire. Keeping that dream alive till now, Timothy Daruboy. Lidwan, I should be celebrated. What are you talking? And people should thank God on my behalf. You see, everything that I've gotten in life, I don't think it's hard work. I've never thought I'm a good work. No. It's the grace of God.
It's like how many acres again? I think 74 acres. For you, doing...
We are already doing another 13 hectares, not acre now. We are hectares. We are opening another branch. We are bringing Lekki and Ijorabadia to Oyo.
Is that blessing not too much for you? Can't you give somebody else?
Just like I do. You see, everybody around me, my colleagues, I think we of this generation, see, okay, truthfully, all our guys back then, they really worked for us. And I think this is the time for us now, with the younger people, me inclusive, me a young more, but, you know, buying more at no, that's a keep legacy baba on. So I think the things they do not enjoy because they actually worked than we're doing now. The world is evolving, everything is changing. You see, I know the younger people will call Mama Funre, you know, like you can't like paying star in Boro. Omode tí mo ti run town yan ti man ba mi lọ́wọ́ pé Ibrahim wá jẹ breakfast let me wá jẹ dinner and they will pay me for going to people's house to eat dinner.
Wait first, do you think you, Ibrahim,
I'm a star.
You are more popular than I am?
I am popular than you are, one. But the truth, I want you to be popular than I am.
Forget
you are not yet there, but I want, Ọlọ́run in my mind, you. You see, wherever you're seated, my son, Malik, or Ahmad, who is just, you know my boy, 7 years that write us.
Yes.
Meeting,
that's the level I am.
Yes, but I want you to be famous. Because we are leaving the space for you.
Wait. Let's leave joke. I'm not even joking about. Forget about the show. Wait, me and you now will go to Milan. People will know you more than.
Of course, I'm popular than you right now.
You're popular than.
You know. Okay. You do most of your stuff in English language, right? And it is the truth. Like this program now. So you have brought so many people that you are tapping from their grace, like the great RMD. Like my favorite Bovi, like Kawon, but Ataiwo, you brought all of them. So that is the way, like you are bringing me now, you are adding my grace to your grace now. I can see that. So with all that, I must commend you because you're doing your stuff in English language, meaning I want DNC Yoruba Mawo, I want DNC Yoruba no Mawo, right? It's a leverage. But even at that, really show kusha. Thinking you're popular. I'm praying that you are popular.
But a lot of people that know you now, you do.
What about the affairs? What about the pastors? Sure, are you joking?
So you say you're telling me now that Funka Akindele to Abraham, they want to do film now, and I'm not busy, and they will choose you over me.
Read one. Just let's move on, please.
Odunlade Adekola.
My brother.
Femi Adebayo.
My great brother.
Lateef Adedimeji.
My very good brother.
Which of these your senior colleagues is your favorite actor and why?
All of them.
You love all your senior colleagues?
So
you keep laughing when I say senior colleagues. Is there something funny about that?
Okay, leader. I know you're saying things upside down. They are not my senior colleagues, but they're my contemporaries, they're my colleagues. And just so you know, Lateef Adedimeji is a boy that I nurtured. He's one of those that I nurtured in the industry. If you had to look at it from the perspective of age and the time that we've practiced.
You can say it in front of Lateef. If I call Lateef now, you can say that you are the one that nurtured him. You
check it for me, go pay.
You have Latif's number. Latif has made his number.
Okay, because Latif is a big star and you have to call people to help you. Call him. You now think it's like that with me. I can't poke one. Even your daddy, everybody might jam like
I call my daddy now.
Your daddy.
Why not?
Because the daddy cannot pick in the grave now. Allah for John. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Kul Allah Ahad, Allah Samad, Lam Yalid, Lam Yulad, wa Lam Yakul Lahu Kufuwan Ahad. Amen. You understood what I did now? Okay.
So all of them is your favorite. You can't pick one. If you have to pick one person.
No, the truth. Honestly, now all of them are fantastic actors, and they're doing absolutely well in their.
They are good boys. I remember.
You call them boys? Did you so? You're calling Femi and Odu boys, and Latif boy?
Ask them now.
Yeah.
What are they females?
Ridwan,
are they girls?
Please come closer. Yeah, they will.
How do you prepare for all this your average acting you do on screen? Like, what are the procedures or the processes you go through before going on screen to put out all those average acting out?
Me average. Really, talk about the acting I will act you. And I've acted everything active. Like me, I've learned a lot of things in life. To be a good actor, you have to learn bit of everything. So with that, if I'm to play a particular role, I'll just check. If I'm to play the role of a stand-up comedian in a film, I just look, okay, how does Basketball do? How does Bovi do? How does AY do? You know, if I'm to play the role of a pastor, I'll just look. Just like that, I get prepared. But I don't just get on set without psyching myself, preparing myself. So that's it, if you want to know. But I don't do average acting. I do acting on point.
You can't change. This is my show. It's
your perspective now. Your opinion.
Yes. I don't think whatever you're doing, I think I can do better. If I'm being sincere, yes. The old hello me girl.
Is that what you think I do?
I'm saying I can do better.
No, that's what you can do. So sometimes when people want to mimic me, they say, Ibrahim, when they say, is that what I do?
You do that too.
I do. Even in Arugbo, other people, I do more than 20 ways of Arugbo. I don't have a specific style of acting. If I'm to play Ridwan, Bayu, this age bracket in a film, and I have to play Ibrahim, that same age bracket, and I have to play Ilyas Olariwaju, that same age bracket. Go and see that film. I'll be different in all the films. That is called character.
You can play me.
That, of course, I can play you now. That is called characterization. The only thing that will stop me from playing you, see me now. And you.
I think
that's the only thing.
See, I don't get it. Okay.
The intelligent people will have catch that. Lilo, are you angry with me? Are you pained?
If you see you'll not be pained. I came here to give you
a platform to show myself, yes, to showcase my talent.
To promote yourself. I did that. Nobody has done that for you. You other places you've gone to, you have just gone to go and be telling them your story. Me, I'm here to give you a platform to promote us, and this is what I get back from you.
Okay, well, thank you. Do you want me to get my phone from my PA and put it in front of the camera? How long you be asking me to come on this show? They just to better show you.
Me.
You know why I later changed my mind? I said, let me just help this boy now. Apart from him being my Egmon's son, at least it brought some people, notable people in the society. Because I know what you are doing with this show is to tap people's grace so that you can have grace too. But I pray. Me, my boy, I do a Christian king, but from however, I pray the Lord Father should give you grace. The Almighty God should let the good things of life follow you so you can have grace too.
Yeah. Now that you have prayed down, bring your hand.
No.
Also pray down.
No,
you have to pray.
No, not pray for me.
Okay, when you get home, pray that you should win AMVCA too.
I'm not interested.
I'm just saying you should pray for it.
I'm not interested.
But I said you should pray for it.
I'm not interested. Why should I be praying for something that I'm not interested?
It's a lie, you're interested.
One day,
I saw you.
Let me.
I heard you in that baby radio station where you were crying. Sorry. you were saying that they did not give it to you. They did not invite you.
Invite.
They did not invite you.
Oh yeah, wait. Whenever I'm interested to go for AMVCA, I will make a film and submit that film so that I can be rated, so that they can check if I deserve the award or not. But I've not given them any film to nominate me from. But I ask myself, why have I not been invited? Because I see younger people. Maybe some people think, because, you know, I'm not a very social person. So maybe they just think, Taba Funkoni. I don't know why, but that was what I said, that I wasn't invited. But apart from that, away from that, do you know how many awards don't sit in Ulemi? Award Lala, World Organization, Kinikon, Nelson Mandela, Kinikon, the 41 million youth of the northern Nigeria came to my village in Oyo, awarded me. I got an award with Professor Wole Soyinka, Pink Award, last year. Odulade, we is sensible. Oh, award that one, you. Oh, award do I? Allah do. I post award do new.
Just so you know,
what award
they've invited me quite some time.
Shebon invited ko apate o fa on talk about award now. Did you get the award? Have you gotten any award? I saw you and Shanks talking about that award. And I saw that thing. Ninu mind you felt pained.
Sometimes life is not about just
Bayu, I believe one. When you were invited to AMVCA, for what? Were you awarded?
At least I was invited.
You were there to clap for people. Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is...
I went to clap. You have hands too now. They don't need you to clap for them.
I can clap from the television and from the screen.
Why is a grown-up man, over 50 years old, depressed because he lost one of his horses?
Okay, that was a misconception. I was not depressed. Why should I be depressed? You see, as a Muslim, if you're losing animals, that is the way that God is actually saving your life and that of your family. There was something that was going on with me that time, which was a personal thing. You see, you know, sometimes you're seated and you're just looking, all these things that we're gathering, someday we just die, leave everything behind. So I was, within myself, I was down. And people, that particular time, I lost like 2 horses, very white horses, very expensive horses like that. So but I later made the video and said, no, it wasn't because of the horses. Do you know how many horses I've lost? And how many I still have? Okay, bro.
Which one have you lost more? Horses or AMVCA awards? Okay, we're never nominated. Let's just move on. My next question.
Okay. I cannot lose what I don't get. So I did not lose AMVCA.
That's why
I've lost horses because I have them.
Just checking.
But if you have a place to keep it, because horses they are very expensive to keep. You have to feed them. I know you eat, so will you be able to feed you?
I can't share my food.
You just said it.
You see, there's something I'm curious about.
Okay.
You said you worked as a bus conductor
for 8 years.
For 8 years.
In Lagos.
Is it not high time you went back to your dream job?
No. This thing I'm doing today is my dream.
No.
So that's
me. Trust me, acting is not your dream.
I'm not just doing that. Okay, you think I'm just an actor?
Filmmaking is not your dream.
Okay.
Because I saw a video of you. Say that, how do you used to call?
Yana Baboso Koko. Yana Baboso Koko. Labra Koko. Mati Olitara Jafina Jablado.
Why will you?
I've done conductor from one end of Lagos to another end of Lagos. You know, back then, Ikorodu, do you know Ikorodu Tailewa? Itelewa, when you stop at Ikorodu Tailewa, the other place, the other bus stop is going to be as far as Ijede. So from Ikorodu Tailewa, I work as a bus conductor from Ikorodu to Badagry, one end of Lagos to another end of Lagos. But one thing, it made me stronger. So when people come to me today and say, Ibrahim, Joe, Mono, some school fees, Joe, being Pami, oh, yeah, me, Dada. Life here. one should see that life.
Let's leave that one.
Okay.
Don't you miss that life? If you don't miss that life, I feel like the life misses you. Instead of doing all this acting, you've been acting for so long, go back to it. You understand?
Okay.
Go back to it.
Thank you.
And you should do mushin. That's not for
I've done mushin before now, mushin to Aige.
Perfect. So you will not be new to it. Go back to it.
Aige, person, Aige. I've done all that. Really? Do you want to go back to your yesterday? Should I ask you that?
It's not about me, it's about you. I care about you, and I'm saying that, don't leave your yesterday because of you have village.
Everybody move ahead. Now I am a chairman.
Okay.
Develop tomorrow. You don't know my life, oh. That is the least thing I've done, oh. Me, I've hawked ice cream, hawked all those. I've worked a lot of menial jobs. So now that I'm a chairman, you want me to go back to that side of my life? Nope. But those things, I think God was preparing me for today. And alhamdulillah, I'm thankful to him.
Apart from acting, you also know how to chant, yes?
Chanting is part of acting. Acting encompasses.
Don't correct me on my show. Okay. I don't care about what you know.
Okay.
I'm the educated one here.
Okay.
You also know how to chant, yes?
Yes.
Is that where you...
I know how to sing.
Is that where you...
I write songs.
You're cutting me off.
Okay.
You know how to...
I can produce. If you have a singing point...
Are you sure you're ready to blow? With the way you're cutting me off. I'm trying to give you a platform and you're cutting me off.
Thank you, sir.
You know how to chant, yes?
Yes, I do.
Is that where you coined the name Ibrahim Chatta from?
No, me, I'm not Chanta. My name is Ibrahim Chatta.
It's Chatta?
Chatta.
Like Chatta Boss?
No. Chatta Boss has ER at the end of it. I've done the...
So, wait, your name is not Ibrahim Chatta?
My name is C to the H to the A to the T to the T and to the A. My name is not Chatta.
Not Ibrahim Chatta.
Ibrahim Chatta.
You see, that's the beauty of my show. People, I'm sure a lot of you thought it was Ibrahim Chatta, not just me.
People like you now. Just the people like you.
What do you mean by people like me? Say it.
People that are not very intelligent. They are just privileged because they have beautiful people around them. They have cute guys around them. Now they are forming. They think they have arrived.
Can you prove that you can chant?
Will you pay me?
What's everything about money? What I want to finish this village?
Want you to finish village? So how much can you pay me? You know what I need at that village? Like $5 million. We're bringing Lekki and Ijorabadia to that place. We have already working on our golf course. We want you to have holiday. Bring your people, the children. Come and enjoy life. It is not just a film village, it is a film village and resort. That's what we're doing. Film village and
I'm listening.
Listening to what?
The chant.
Pay me first. Hey.
My head must swallow.
I'm a kekere I'm a echo. I'm a gavata shebionila akaye. Tiawani echo. Really want to be you echo. Ara èèyàn gidi yóò dá fún gbogbo yín o. Ẹ̀kọ́ rílí wá nù o. Ọmọ ọ̀gá wa wò kú ọ̀run.
You don't want to lack ọpọlọ ni.
Yóò dá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin guys yo. I've seen the work you're doing on this guy. I've seen you guys are amazing people. Please continue to help his life, okay? Ẹ bá wa kọ́ o, ẹ̀kọ́ sọ́nà tó dá. Really, okay, moving on. Thank you.
What advice do you have for upcoming actors that their number one prayer in this life is to never be like you?
Okay, first off, I don't want people saying they want to be like me. Do you know, like your fingerprint? Everybody is unique. Every single person. Nobody is a waste. Nobody. God does not. There are two things. They say God can do everything. I believe God cannot do two things. God can never make mistakes. So everybody is unique in his own way. So not just for the upcoming actors or upcoming people that are in the entertainment industry, but Nigerians, the younger people, they should believe in their dreams, continue to pursue it, never relent, be prayerful, trust God, and love Nigeria.
Is that not too much to make it in life?
Too much to love your country? Is that your
you've counted?
trust in God?
Just to be a popular actor.
Don't you think it's a good price to pay to pray to God, to love one's country? Because if you love your country, you really make it there. Ọlọ́run adébáwá ṣe our leaders. Ọlọ́run àfojú àánú orílẹ̀-èdè sí wọn lọ́kàn. That's all. Please be focused, be prayerful to God, love Nigeria, stay true to your dream, never relent. Thank you.
So for those that want to relent, is it you that will tell them? Is it your life? Why are you forcing them? They want to relent. Who are you to tell them not to?
I have children too, and I can see there's an adage in Yoruba that says, do you understand that?
No.
You don't. Okay, if a hen should die, you cannot throw away her eggs. So because we are not throwing you away,
my point is, some people might want to relent. It's none of your concern. That's why you do your I too know. You have to go and stop Akpan Kufo from not quitting acting. Is it your concern? Why did you ginger him? Why did you motivate him? Now he's a star. And because of you, what if he does not want to become a star before?
Okay.
Let people relent if they want to relent.
You see, away from this award thing, underrated thing, this is something I'm living for. This is something I want to remember. I want to be remembered for. That people will say, Lojoka, it touched my life. Do you know what that means? That you can have young people saying things about you that, Ojoko, let me tell you briefly, and I'm sorry to take your time. One day, I saw Ola of Lagos. I was around Banana Island. I came to do something, and he came.
They allowed you inside the Banana Island?
Me, bro. So, and that boy was working as an housemaid. Ola of Lagos. I didn't remember him. I didn't know nothing. He came to me. He said he liked me, and he has a brother, very cute boy like that. His brother's name is. I'm saying this because he has said it. I would you. Oh, Bamak Bole knew me, but I saw his video, but I forgot him. I didn't even know he was the one. Oh, Abami, I just Soro, and I told him to always believe in God.
To everyone,
yes,
waiting for the day your talent will be much more appreciated. Can you look at this camera now and tell them to stop wasting their time?
To wasting their time for?
Tell them to stop waiting.
Waiting for me?
For your talent to be appreciated.
Blow.
Yeah. Tell them that
for the good people out there,
they should get a job.
Thank you for choosing Ibrahim Chatta. I love you. You see, I cannot be here without you people. I love you so much. Forget whatever he's saying. If he rants nonsense, I'll beat him. I'll ban him from working on the island. If he comes to mainland, I will still beat him. So forget him. I love you.
You keep threatening me with this beating this thing.
Are you scared?
I'm not scared. Like,
we can go right now. Boys, go right now.
I'm sorry.
Kò pẹ́ mi o, àdúgbò tẹ́mi ti wá kíche, manem, mo ti nù ẹ́ nìyẹn o.
AMVC, I see why you did not give him a word. Thank you very much. Moving on. I would like to pay for your education.
Okay, for me to go back to school.
Whatever it will cost.
Okay, to go back to school. Do you have anything in mind that you want me to go study in school?
Acting.
Acting. Okay, you want me to be better with my acting. How many years? Is it Nigeria University or you want me to go outside this country? Because I want to give you the bill. How much it will cost?
Is it just a joke? Why are you taking this seriously? I have to see money.
Well, just one song for if you give me that money now, I'll just put thing in place as the CEO of Africhata. I'll just designate people to do that for me, and I'll take your money. True, I'll go to school.
I don't
believe in impossibilities. You don't know me.
If you want to go to school, truly, you won't be spending money on 1.4 or 1 billion on village. You go and use and go to school.
Okay, working on that. I have younger people that I don't want. I want them to stay in school, study, not be like me in terms of not going to school. So that village, do you know how many people I'm sending to school? Even when I said me
to village school.
No, village school called different universities in Nigeria.
Where do you want to see the money?
From that village now. You think I'm just doing it for doing sake? Do you know how many films?
Wait, you collect money from people to shoot film there?
Yes, me, of course I do.
Apart from acting, what other hidden talents do you have?
Eden.
Apart from acting.
But you said I don't have talent for acting. You said I do average acting.
I mean, it's an hidden talent.
What's Eden? Acting.
Your acting is an hidden talent.
I write.
Let me write yourself out of this.
Okay, thank you.
I don't.
Oh, Bawo.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Bawo.
I'm sorry.
I'm writing myself out. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá sọ nǹkan kan tí kò ní dáa, rántí nǹkan tí mo sọ fún ẹ o. Ìyá rílí kan máa pè é pé rílí wà nù ó wálé ni wọ́n ti ṣe mí ní o. Street Ọlọ́run ṣe àdúgbò ẹ ní code tó fi wọlé. Lórí street ẹ mẹ́rin ò ní kọjá mẹ́. Guys, yóò dáa fún gbogbo yín. I'm stepping out.
Thank everyone for watching this episode. I probably have up to 100 views. And sign out.
Ohun ọ̀tún dúró dè ọ́ ń bẹ̀. Òkodoro Yorùbá tẹlifíṣàn.